Welcome back to my channel, guys. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make or how to cook pasta. The first thing you are going to do, you're going to get a pan. You're going to get 6 cups of water and you're going to add it into the pan with a little bit of olive oil and salt, and you're going to let that boil. After that, you're going to get a third half of onion and you're going to cut them in small pieces. Also, you're gonna get a piece of bell pepper and you're gonna cut that in half and then in half to make 4 pieces, and you're gonna set that aside. Now that the water that you set on a pan is boiling, you wanna get the spaghettis and you're gonna add it to the pan. Remember, when the spaghetti start getting soft, as soon as it happens, you're gonna get a spoon and you're gonna start moving the spaghetti in a round mode. That is gonna help the spaghetti to cook completely amazing. Now you're gonna get your bell peppers and the onions that you have already cut with a little bit of garlic clove that you are gonna cut in small pieces, and you are gonna add it into a pan with no oil at first to let it get a little brown, and then you're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to help saute the onions, the bell peppers and the garlic cloves that you already add into the pan. Once the onions and the bell peppers are sauteing, now you want to make sure that your pasta is cooking perfectly, and you are gonna check that out and look at that. It is completely amazing. It have a good consistency. Your pasta is ready. Once you know the pasta is ready, now you are gonna get ready to start preparing the sauce, and you're gonna add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste into the pan that you are sauteing the bell peppers, onions and the garlic clove. This you are gonna let cook for 45 seconds before you add the water. After the 45 seconds, you're gonna add half a cup of water, and you're gonna start stirring or moving this slowly. This is gonna help your sauce to start cooking. Now what you are wanting to do is that you're gonna add a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of tomato powder, and a tablespoon of salt. These are some of the ingredients that you are going to be using to make the sauce. Also, don't forget a little piece of unsalted butter, and you're going to start stirring or moving slowly because this is going to help the sauce to get a really good consistency. Now that you know that your pasta is ready, your spaghettis are ready, you're gonna get them, put them on a strainer, strain the water, and you're gonna put cold water on it. It's gonna help to keep the consistency on the pasta. After that, you are going to add the pastas, the spaghetti, into the sauce that you already made. Look how beautiful this looks. Amazing. Totally incredible. Guys, this is a very easy recipe to make, very cheap, affordable. You can make it any time of the day, any day of the week, any day of the month. Very easy. I really recommend for you to make this. And if you are one of those that thinks you cannot cook, that is difficult to cook, follow the step-by-step that I'm showing you right now, and I guarantee you that this dish will be so easy for you that you will be wanting to keep watching more videos and watching more recipes and trying them out at your house. Thank you very much for always being here. Thank you very much for always keep supporting my work. Don't forget, if you like this channel, leave your comment down below. Hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget, if you're new, to subscribe. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. Please share this video on any platform, on any social media that you have, so that way we can get bigger, so our family can get bigger and bigger. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time here in my kitchen with another recipe, with another story on Raf Kitchen.